DeFi Income Investor Update. Today is October 23rd, 2023, and our weekend gain was 2.29%. This is bringing our expected weekly dividend into 2% a week. So per $100,000 invested, that's a $2,000 paycheck to your account every Friday. Total return of 8% in the first 14 trading days with an annualized return after fees and taxes of 105%. Portfolio value is standing at 37,800 with a share price of 1,080. That's $2,000 per $100,000 invested, paid out as a dividend every Friday. Hands-free, passive retirement income. Here's a look at our returns over time. You can see share price in this column. Start off at 1,000. We had a tiny drawdown the first day when some of the assets dropped a lot, but our hedge went up in value incredibly, protecting the portfolio. And then since then, the portfolio has just been going straight up. And again, you can see the amount of capital we collected from being a market maker in DeFi at Uniswap was $1,057 over the weekend. The least we made was on the first trading day, which is not a full trading day, of $206, and we've ranged anywhere from $250 a day to up to 443 in a single day. Now again, today's post counts for Saturday, Sunday, and overnight into the morning. Here's a look at the volatility we've had to handle. The biggest drawdowns we've seen have been Pendle going down 6.5%. The first day, the second day we launched, Link was down 3%. But again, we're hedged against losing money to the downside aggressively. So we're just not going to lose a lot of money, if anything, if the market goes down. In some cases, we've had the market go down a little bit, like Link went down 3%, but our drawdown reduction, as you can see here, was 114%. That means we made money when the market went down. If the market goes up, the strategy is extremely safe, and you make money on the fees plus the assets going up in value. The only offset is drawdowns in our hedge. So you can see in column H, when we have had the market go down, you can see the hedge goes up. When the market goes up, the hedge goes down, but we're seeing our farm value go up incredibly, and then we're seeing our share price also climb. So you can see that this has just been very steady gains. Our worst drawdown was 0.89%, less than 1%, and our best return in a single day was 2.44%. Over the weekend, we returned 2.29, and last Friday, a nice return of 1.72. Here's a look at the volatility this strategy has had to deal with. So you can see Ethereum went down when we launched, came back up, went back down, climbed up. Our portfolio strategy just doesn't care about that and makes money irregardless of market conditions. Link has been wild, just trading flat with a little bit of volatility, then skyrocketing up and then pulling back sharply after this big return. It made about a 40% gain over the last week. Pendle has been going in a wild swing too. When we launched, it fell sharply, then it rose sharply, then it fell sharply, then it rose sharply, and again, our returns remain super steady. In this screen, we're looking at the value of the assets, which we call a farm. This is what we provide liquidity to markets to earn income with. And you can see our hedge is at 32,746 relative to a farm value of 36,294. Our goal is to be 90% hedged, which is where we're currently at. In this, we're looking at a breakdown of how the assets are positioned. You can see we have 24,738 long Pendle ETH, 11,319 long Link ETH. Currently, Pendle ETH has been dominating the returns of our portfolio. In this screenshot, we're looking at the blockchain using DeBank. This allows you to verify all positions values. And as you can see, since taking the screenshot, our Pendle farm has actually gone up a little bit. You can also see the hedge value down here. And again, our entire portfolio is on the blockchain. And in your daily update email, if you click the link below and subscribe, you actually get a link so you can verify this yourself. Now, what's the catch? There's limited liquidity currently at the end of this 2-year bear market in this industry. Perhaps this will improve, but currently we're only going to accept $5 million in capital so that we can continue these high levels of returns. If market liquidity does increase significantly, that could potentially go up, but right now that is the hard cap. Disclaimer, investing is risky and you can lose money. Consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. All right, this is the end of the video. I want you to click the link below to go to the website and sign up for our daily update. You'll get all this content emailed to you daily. Plus, you'll get access to talk to Dean Gallagher about getting started now. He can answer all your questions and get you earning weekly income starting this Friday. So get started now. Click the link below.